On dollar yen for today, dollar yen is in this, they gave us this aggressive pullback downside, and right now they are attempting to give us a corrective structure, a flat correction on this trend line before they resume the drop downside. So if we zoom to 4-hour time frame on dollar yen, on the 4-hour time frame, we saw this spike upsides as the A wave. Right now they are dropping for B wave. We expect them to drop, tag this low and reverse back upside, complete this flat and give us more sales to the downside. So we want to watch out for that. We zoom to 1-hour time frame on dollar yen. On the 1-hour time frame, we want to look out for this. We expect this to drop, tag this low, and then we watch this trend line. We expect it to break through here to give us C wave before more sales will come through to the downside. So we want to look out for those today as they develop. On dollar yen for today. So watch out for. On euro yen for today, euro yen is presently in this corrective move to the upside. We expect that they will resume back the dropping downside for us before we see if they will from here give us another spike after this correction here. So if we look at the 4-hour time frame on euro yen, on the 4-hour time frame we see this was the impulse down, A wave. This was the impulse down. This was A wave correction. They have dropped for B wave. We are looking at this at present to be a C wave correction to make this running flat. Therefore, we are expecting this correction once they are through to drop down, tag this low, give us A, B, C, before we see if they will spike back upside. So if we zoom to 1-hour time frame on euro yen, on the 1 hour we are looking at this as correction for a drop A. This looks like potential B, and one more spike upside to make A, B, C, and then we expect this drop to tag this low. So we want to watch out for this set. On pound yen for today, pound yen has started this dropping yesterday. It broke through the correction and continued the drop. Today we watch them continue this dropping downside as we see this as the A, the B, and the C correction flat. So we expect more drops to come through to the downside. So if we zoom to 4-hour time frame on pound yen, on the 4-hour time frame we saw they give us this flat structure earlier and they broke through it. They are dropping right now, so watch them continue the drop downside towards this low and beyond to the downside. So I want to watch out for sales on pound yen. Also, if we zoom to a 1-hour time frame, I want to watch out for that as well. More sales to come through. Once they are through with this correction they are making here, they give us more sales to the downside. So we want to watch out for that. There is also the possibility, because of this divergence we see here, that they will give us another. On Aussie yen for today, Aussie yen broke this low, tagged it, and right tags it gave divergence. So which means there is a possibility for this to be run, give us a flat structure here for more drops to come through, or this can continue downside towards this low. So if we zoom to 4-hour time frame on Aussie yen, on the 4-hour time frame we want to watch for correction or this deep pullback. We expect it to at least give us correction here before it will continue downside if it's going down on Aussie yen. So if we zoom to 1-hour time frame also, we want to watch out for that as well, for this to give us a form of reversal or correction here, for more downside will come through for us. So I want to look out for this on Aussie yen today. Any reversal that is still coming, watch out for it. On Swiss yen for today, Swiss yen is presently in this sideways correction here. So we want to watch them. Once they are through with this sideways, they give us more drops to the downside. If we zoom to 4-hour time frame to look at that correction, on the 4-hour time frame, we saw they gave us this deep pullback upside, and right now they are dropping. We want to watch them. Once they are through this correction, they will give us small sales downside. That is what we want to watch out for. If we zoom to 1-hour time frame, on the 1-hour time frame, we see they broke through this and they corrected up. They are dropping right now. We want to watch them to see if they are making a flat here for more drops to the downside to come through for us before development of this and potentially more drops to come through to the downside. So we want to watch out for these as they develop on Swiss yen. That's what we want to look out for. More sales to come through on Swiss yen for today. On CAD yen for today, CAD yen is coming down aggressively, and we expect it to come attack this low, as we saw this as the up impulse, and we see this A, B, C as the correction before it will resume back its low climb upside too. So we want to watch this complete this structure. So if we zoom to 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, we want to watch for corrections here, any form of correction and more drops towards this low. Is what we expect from CAD yen. So if we zoom to 1-hour time frame, on the 1-hour time frame, we want to watch out for that as well. It is dropping, they continue to drop aggressively. We see the divergence here, which tells us that there is possibility of a bigger correction upside before they drop. We are looking for a control for us to the downside towards the low. So we want to watch out for this on CAD yen for today. More sales on New Zealand yen for today. It's dropping down aggressively. We want to watch for the possibility of this flat before it drops down. Will continue. We zoom to 4-hour time frame on New Zealand yen. On the 4-hour time frame, we saw that they gave us correction here and then drop downside. So we want to watch at any minute because of this divergence. You can start another corrective structure here to complete this flat, running flat before they will resume the dropping to the downside. If we zoom to 1-hour time frame on New Zealand yen, we want to watch for this. You see the divergence on the 1 hour already between these lows and these lows, which tells us that this correction upside will soon come through for us before more drops will resume. So I want to watch out for this on New Zealand yen for today. As it drops.